Unlocking modal verbs, mastering the use of may and might. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into a pair of often confused modal verbs, may and might. These two little words can make a huge difference in how we convey meaning in English. By the end of this video, you'll not only be able to tell them apart, but also use them confidently and correctly in your conversations. Let's get started. May and might are modal verbs used to talk about possibilities or probabilities. It might be raining later, or you may want to visit the museum. These are just a few examples of how they're used. However, although they can often be used interchangeably, there are some important nuances to remember. The primary reason these two verbs are often mixed up is because they both denote a sense of uncertainty. However, may generally indicates a greater likelihood than might. Consider these sentences. 1. It may rain tomorrow. 2. It might rain tomorrow. Both sentences suggest that rain is a possibility tomorrow, but the first implies a stronger probability than the second. Despite this general rule, context and speaker's intention can still significantly impact the perceived meaning. One common mistake involves using might, where may is more appropriate in formal requests or permissions. For example, incorrect, might I leave early today? Correct, may I leave early today? May is preferred in polite requests or permissions, whereas might can sound archaic or overly formal in these contexts. Another mistake is using may when referring to an unlikely or hypothetical situation. For example, incorrect, if I won the lottery, I may travel the world. Correct, if I won the lottery, I might travel the world. In this case, might is preferred as it implies a less likely scenario. The best way to master may and might is through practice. Write sentences using both modals, speak them out loud, and try to use them in your daily English conversations. Soon enough, you'll be using may and might like a pro. And that wraps up our exploration of may and might. Remember, may generally implies a higher probability and is used in formal requests, while might is used for lower probabilities and hypothetical situations. With careful attention and practice, you can avoid these common errors and enhance your English language skills. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.